Welcome to dotcom.builders. In this video, I will share with you how to stop visitors from accessing a page on your website in Hostinger Website Builder. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. First, go to hpanel.hostinger.com, then log in to your Hostinger account and click on Websites. Now, next to the website that you want to stop visitors from accessing one of its or multiple of its pages, click on this Edit Website button. This is my website in Hostinger Website Builder, and the first thing I will switch back to the desktop view. So this is my website, and those are my pages. For example, let's say that this menu page, I want to protect the visitors from accessing it. First, let's give it a visit. If you click on the menu page, you can see our menu. Let's say that this menu is a top secret and I want to stop visitors from accessing it. So what I need to do is to go to pages, and next to the page that I want to protect, click on these three dots and select password. Here, when you enable the password like this, you are limiting access to this page by setting up a password. This doesn't guarantee your information is fully secure. So fill in your password. For example, let's go with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. For example, let's go with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 9. Then you can customize the page design. You can pick one of those designs, or you can go with, and you can also edit the page design text. For example, the heading, guest area, subheading, please enter the password to access the page, the placeholder type password, the button, enter, the footer, back to, and here they will back to the home. So let's pick this design, for example, this third one, click on save. Don't forget to update your website from here to protect your page from accessing it. Now that my website is updated, let's view it live. And when I try to click on the menu page, before I continue this tutorial, I want to let you know that you can get access to my online course about Hostinger Website Builder today for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things, including how to get started with Hostinger Website Builder, how to choose and customize your template, how to master page and navigation design, also design pages and add in content, building specific page types, blogging with Hostinger Builder, create an online store, forms in general, emails and integrations, advanced features and design enhancement, SEO, analytics and tracking tools, backup and cloning maintenance, and also final touches and optimization. To get all of this today for free, plus my other free online courses, which are Google Sites, Google Search Console, Brevo email marketing, Bluehost web hosting, Hostinger web hosting, Hostinger WordPress, and also Hostinger email today for free, simply go to academy.dotcom.builders, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's continue this tutorial. Now that my website is updated, let's view it live. And when I try to click on the menu page, this is what stops me from accessing it. And this is the template I went with, and this is the text that I can edit anytime. Guest area, please enter the password, type password, enter, and back to home. And if I type my password, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, enter, I can access the page. Now let's return to it. It will ask for the password. And this is how to stop visitors from visiting a page on your website in Hostinger Website Builder. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below, and don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.